Apparently, all the food you see here is just a snack for the elephants and is gone in a day. We're at the Elephant Nature Park today, and I'm super excited about this visit because we get to see elephants, buffalo, dogs, cats, all of them rescued. And the elephants in particular have gone through domestication, and here they're going through a rehabilitation program to really unlearn a lot of what they've gone through and a lot of the fear that they've lived most of their lives. Here they get to be more playful, roam around, eat, go in the river, all without a lot of human interaction. You don't get to go in or bathe with the elephants. You don't touch them. We watch them and observe them from a distance, which is actually better for them to go through the rehabilitation process. And it's really cool to be here and get to see all of that in person. So I'm super thrilled about the visit today. We're going to be able to observe them from a distance in a little bit. Maybe they'll get to jump into the river. Apparently it's colder now in Thailand, so the water might be a little bit too cool for them, but that might happen a little later, and we'll get to do a lot of sightseeing today, so let's get to it.
See, the elephant is scratching itself against the tree.
Just finished hanging out with the elephants here at the Elephant Nature Park, and I have to say that I loved it. We wasn't really hanging out; it's more like observing them in their element, seeing them walk around, play around, eat, mess with the caregivers here. So it was really cool to see. You got to see elephants. I think I counted more than 20. Maybe they have more than that.
More than
And then they also have buffalo, they have dogs, they have cats. So it's a pretty awesome place to visit, and the surroundings are really picturesque, really pretty, really great space for all the elephants that they have here.
The agenda was also really nice organized. We hang out with the elephants in the morning, then there was lunchtime, so you could take a break, especially from the sun. It's quite intense. And then in the afternoon, we were observing them once again for 1.5 hours, and now we have some free time, and we will get to the van to get back to the city, because it's what, 1 hour away
it's about an hour.
from the city. My favorite moment of the day was in the afternoon when we went to see the elephants taking a bath in the river. It's slowly getting into the winter time, so they do not like swimming that much because basically the water is too cold, the temperature is not high enough. But they went into the water nonetheless, and especially the young ones, they're playing in the water with themselves or fighting a little bit. It was super cute.
Yeah.
And this entire day was great, really relaxing, and I enjoyed it a lot.
Yeah, definitely recommend coming to the Elephant Nature Park. It's really well done. I also enjoyed the lunch. The lunch was vegetarian vegan, so it's a great meal, and it really goes along with everything that they try to live by here at the Elephant Nature Park. So
One more moment was in the morning when one of the youngest elephants was poking at the buffaloes and escaping, and then poking at them again and escaping again, trying to hide by the nanny. So super funny, super cute, and I've never imagined being able to be so close to these giant beings, because we were basically within a few meters. Oh, there's one just below us.
just to show you.
This is why it's worth coming here, guys.
And some more in the distance there. So definitely come and check it out if you're in Chiang Mai. I think it's really worth coming to visit the elephants here.
And with that, we're gonna enjoy the rest of our free time before we head back to the city with about 10 elephants in our view. So, bye.
Bye. We're back in Chiang Mai after visiting the Elephant Nature Park, and we decided to take it easy this afternoon. We grabbed a few smoothies and then found this great massage place. We just wrapped up the massages, and I would say they were nothing short of blissful. They were intense. Found a few knots, had to, work out a few things, but it was overall relaxing. And so, definitely try to get one in Chiang Mai if you're here. And now we're gonna wrap up our massage sessions with tea and mango. So let's dig in.